Isso que é isso? Essa é a parte final do vídeo.
Trail word. Daisy.
Se chama Naturicast,
Man,
faz de
oh man,
trip.
this is sweet!
Squeaks.
Let's do this,
Isso aí
man!
não dá tempo.
Whoopsie, you forgot to make something for Aunt Reva's nature art show. You lose 15.
How?
O que eu faço ainda?
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Ronald.
It's Ronald time.
No way, man! All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy! You lose 10!
Eu não posso ficar
Onward and
morrendo.
spinward. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. A little help here. You get stuck in gooey tree resin. You lose 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Hal, you lose another 10. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
Por que ele disse que eu posso ficar morrendo?
I just love
Tem
these
uma coisa ali.
wild places!
And now the small but mighty squeaks.
Road trip? Count the mouse in! Houston, we have a
Tem alguma
problem!
coisa da
Spin
péssima.
again!
Spin that spinner, Hal.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Sabe o que disse que acontece?
Surf's up.
Eu
If you're
fiquei
me, Nature
suja.
Cat, you sit this one out and go back to your previous spot. Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald.
Por que ele disse que posso limpar?
Codger McDowell wants to help you float across the Great Salt Lake, but you forgot your swimsuit. Rats! You lose 25. If you're me, Squeaks, or my friend Daisy, you lose another 10.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally ho!
Olha, eu tava dizendo pra ele
much
que podia
nature to
usar.
see. Welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park.
Eu sei que
These tears
poderia
are
dar.
beautiful bits of lava that have hardened. Don't they look like teardrops?
Kilauea is known as a shield volcano.
Ah, você tem que fazer o que você tá me dizendo,
And
gente.
a gentle slope. It is the youngest volcano on the island of Hawaii. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park
Parece
is
que o
home
Bob
to two of the
Esponja.
world's
Ele
most
tá
active
com a
volcanoes,
insônia.
Kilauea and Mauna Loa. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near, near, near.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
Tava com quanto mamãe com a Panaise?
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Não!
Houston, we have a problem. Spin
Ah,
again.
mas tudo bem, né?
Squeaks, spin away.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
Ah, I just love nature.
Ronald, may the spin be with you.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
Por que ela disse que tu não pode ficar sem limites?
Onward and trailward. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally ho.
Man, oh man, this is sweet.
Bath time. Woof. My pal Hal needs a bath. Spin again. Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Meu
Your
Deus!
turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that.
It's Ronald time.
Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Nature Cat! I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
It's the strongest show on earth. Spin again.
Oh, gente, eu não sei do que você tá falando.
Daisy!
I just love these wild places.
Squeaks!
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Ei!
How?
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Time to round up some wildflowers. Ready, set, draw. You earn 25. If you're me, Daisy, the fastest draw in the West, or my
Porque
buddy
ele
Nature
está
Cat,
doendo.
you earn 10 more.
Ronald.
Boom shakalaka.
Não posso ficar aqui pra sempre.
Time to round up some wildflowers. Ready, set, draw. You earn 25. If you're me, Daisy, the fastest draw in the West, or my buddy Nature Cat, you earn 10 more.
It's my turn.
Ele se machucou.
There's so much nature to see. Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have teammates on the trail.
Oh yeah,
Eu
it's
tô machucado,
Daisy's
pessoal.
turn.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
And now the small but mighty squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have...
Spin that spinner, Hal.
I just love nature.
Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
Man, oh man, this is sweet!
Vida chegada.
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have teammates on...
It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You...
Ronald, may the spin be with you.
Por que não posso ficar morrendo?
It's Ronald time.
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of
Quase
the
que eu
trail.
ganhei.
Ooh, look at all the nature energy. Incredible!
Gente, olha.
Check out the photos from
Vocês
our
querem jogo,
trip!
né? Gente, essa é a parte 1, parte 2, a parte final. Final do vídeo.
Ah, memories.
E o link na descrição.
Great pictures.
Fico com Deus.
You collected all the parts